Hello, my big Sonia. Welcome to Software Designs. Today I want to teach you background extension, and then press Control New, that is Control N on your keyboard to create a new composition. Just once you just open, let's delete this. Let's press Control New, and then on your composition or preset details here, you see details. Then you see your units here. Change them to inches. Click here, and then come input your 65 by 14 inches here, and then from your 14 inches you check your resolution, change it to 800, and then it's the same thing. This is same inch. Change your RGB whatever to CMYK, and as the case may be, you can leave your background transparent, white, black, or custom as the case may be, and then click on create. So at this point in time, we want to bring in a background and fill it at the end. To fill it, this is your checkbox, this is your composition, let me see. And then for instance, we are bringing in a background, you want to extend that particular background, then let's pick this background here, and then come to Photoshop. Don't drop it inside of here at the moment, drag it up here and then drop. The essence of this, we are trying to create a scenario where it doesn't convert to a smart object, which makes it harder for it to be edited. So press Ctrl A here and then copy. Go back to your composition here and then paste it here. You see how small it is. Come to the selection button here and pick, and then press alternate on your keyboard and then drag. By dragging this, let's turn it round, and then continue to drag it to this point like this. So it didn't feel, let me say, it didn't feel the end of the background. And then you click on this checkbox, and then successfully it has restored. And then what is going to happen here, you are trying to make a scenario where you want to fill this particular area. You want this background to be replicated here. You want to pick this background and then also fill this area that is left out. And then for you to do that particular thing here at this junction and also here, then you go to your selection here. Try to ensure that your layer is selected. You selected here, you're on this layer. Come to the selection and then select including the part that you want to extend. I want to extend it a bit here. Then come to edit. When you come to edit, you see fill, and then click on this fill. Endeavor and make sure that this is on color adaptation, and then this is on content aware. And then from the content aware section here, you click on OK, and then you wait a bit for it to work. Let's see the magic Photoshop has for us. And then they are waiting for it to finish. Let's wait for it. It won't take time. However, depending on the capacity of the system, one may hang, one may lag behind. So but just endeavor to have patience and wait for it to finish. And then you see that it has completed and filled this part that we were discussing about. This particular part here, it has been filled. So now you can follow the same process here and then replicate that same particular process here to fill that particular part. The essence of this was not to distort. It meant the main part of this background, the middle here. That is why we did this. But sometimes you can just scale it to fill up. So thank you so much, and if you love this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.